Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to assemble your new Oreck Discover vacuum. And the first step when you take everything out of the package is you're going to have your bag here. And what you're going to do is you'll see there's a little notch right here on the fill tube. And you're just going to insert that right here until it clicks into place. And you can kind of twist it a little to make sure it's aligned properly. And one of the biggest things that we're seeing a lot of when they're not purchased at your local Oreck dealer is that when people assemble it themselves, they don't tighten this collar all the way. And what'll happen is it'll leak dirt if there's a gap, and it'll spray dirt all over the place, which we don't want. So we're going to show you how to properly do that. And what I like to do is twist this to the left to make sure it doesn't get cross-threaded. You kind of see how it drops into place. Then what we're going to do is tighten it down until there's no gap showing. As you can see here, if we have a gap showing, that is what causes the leakage of dirt, which we don't want. So once you have your bag tightened up, the next step is to lock the bag into place, because as you can see, it's still loose. So what we have to do is bring the bag up and push it over this little tongue here. And for that, I like to take the palms of my hands, push down into place until it clicks. And now the bag is securely locked into place and ready for the next step of assembling. Because in the instructions, they don't really outline how to lock the bag into place, and as a result, the bags are flopping around and getting caught. So now the next step we have is to assemble the handle, which just pops into place. See here, there's a locking pin, and there's a hole here where that locking pin aligns to. So then we just push this down into place, push the locking pin to get it started, push down until it clicks, and then we could just snap the cord in these little grooves here like so. And we are ready to wind the cord up and use our new Discover.